Welcome BSc first year students. We discuss about the phylum Nematodhelminths. What is the characteristics and systematic position or classification of the Nematodhelminths. Already I have given information about the Nematodhelminths. Before the information we discuss about the classification of the systematic position, that is phylum Nematodhelminths, class Nematoda, subclass Phasididae, order Ascardia, genus Ascaris, and species Lubricoides. These are the systematic positions about the Ascaris, and Ascaris is commonly known as the roundworm. The best example of the phylum Nematodhelminths, Ascaris, Lubricoides. What is the information about the Ascaris? All of you know that is there are two types of Ascaris. One is the male Ascaris and other female Ascaris. What is the difference between the male Ascaris and female Ascaris? General characteristics and its differential characteristics about the roundworm. It is commonly known as roundworm. The general characters, number one, which may be that is the mouth anteriorly and lateral lines, which is the middle position, and lastly which mean that is the anal. These are the both characteristics which present in the male and female. But which is differential characteristics of the male and female Ascaris? Female Ascaris is longer than the male, one identical characteristics. Next characteristics of male, to develop the pineal seta at the ventral sides. Male is smaller than female. These are the identical characteristics of the male and female Ascaris. And what the famous class of the Nematodhelminths, that is a class Nematoda. Nematoda means thread worms. It is also known as thread like worms. So the given and included the phylum Nematodhelminths. Worms is nothing but that is the worm. Helminths is nothing but the worms. Nematodes mean thread worms. It is also known as thread worms. Yes. What is the general characteristics including that is the habit and habitat? Each and every species grow in the habit and habitat. These are the very important characteristics about the growth characteristics of the Ascaris and other animals. Habitat, which maybe that is not only found inside the animal, but also it may be freely found inside the freshwater and marine water. But they are endoparasites, means actually which is present inside the intestine of the human, which may be that is a male and female. Body symmetrically, or it is also the bilaterally. Germ layers are triploblastic or trilobe, three-lobed. Yes. And it's that is the organ system, means that a grade of organization. They are non-segmented worms. I have given information about the segmented body and unsegmented body. Yes, unsegmented body also found inside the snail. As these types, that is the Ascaris also. Non-segmented roundworm, body covered with the cuticle, and digestive system simple Mouth provided the hooks and sucker in the male and female, but in this animal the respiratory system absent, circulatory system also absent in the Ascaris, excretory system through the protonephridia and canal. That is the identical characteristics of the nephridia in the Ascaris. Ascaris is a unisexual dioecious animal, reproduction which is sexual by gametic fusion and fertilization internal. These are the important characteristics which are related to the Ascaris. Firstly, I have given the identical characteristics of male and female of Ascaris in the Nematohelminth. Secondly, we describe about its morphological characteristics, anatomical characteristics, reproductive characteristics, yes, and remaining characteristics about the Ascaris, that is the classification of phylum Nematohelminths. How many classes? Which included the first class Nematoda, second class Rotifera, third class Gastropoda, fourth Cynorica, and fourth one Nematophora, or it is also known as the Nematomorpha. These are the systematic classification of phylum Nematohelminths. One by one we discuss the general characteristics of each class. First one Nematoda. I have given already the nematodes means the thread like worms, which are the endoparasites, bilaterally symmetrical, vermiform, body covered cuticle, sexes are separate, means male and female identical characteristics, and best example Ascaris. Next one class Rotifera. They are microscopic aquatic. All animals are included the class Rotifera. Sexes are separate, means male and female are identical from each other. Two protonephridia tubes present in the excretion. The example Bryoconus and Colotheca. These are the best examples included under the heading of class second Rotifera. Third class, which is a famous Gastrotricha, which is, what is meant by Gastrotricha? It is a vacuum like gas which occupy or content in these animals, so included the class Gastrotricha. In these animals, means that is the Urodias, the best example. This second one, which is the Macrodias and Chitonotus. What is these characteristics about the gastropoda of these animals? They are free aquatic living organisms. Sexes are separate. Excretory system sometimes present or may be absent. These are the general characters of Cynorica. Next one. Example Echinodorus and Shuntodorus. Best examples. What is the important characteristics of this class? These animals are microscopic, marine animals, internally segmented, sexes are separate, development indirect in the larval form. And last one, which may be, that is the class fifth one, Nematomorpha. Nematomorpha is the best example. Nectonema, Gordus, both animals included the Nematomorpha class. What is the identical characteristics of these animals? These are cylindrical, unsegmented worms, hair-like worms, sexes are separate. These are the identical characteristics of the class Nematomorpha. Adult, next one, that is the structure of Ascaris, which is the identical characteristics of the adult male and female Ascaris. Some important characteristics: adult male and adult female. Now I will some identical characteristics describe again about the male Ascaris. Yes, it is commonly known as roundworm. Body is divided anteriorly and posteriorly. Anterior side mouth, posteriorly prominent tail. Middle side, that is the lateral line, anterior posteriorly. And outer portion is known as the cuticle, unsegmented body. Yes, but in the female, same characteristics but identical characteristics. Female is longer than male or broader than male. Yes, and mouth with lips in the female. Central line also present, and anus at the posterior region. But in the adult male, having these spicules, and spicules is very important characteristics about the and related to the reproduction. Yes, after the reproduction we must be know that is the cycle of the roundworm or Ascaris. How to develop this cycle? Cycle is developed from the step by step. Number one, eggs. To develop the eggs, rabidiform larva, and these larvae develop molting larva. Hepatic portal veins is enter into the hepatic liver, hepatic vein, postal vein up to heart, pulmonary vein, lungs, lungs to bronchus, bronchus to trachea, pharynx, esophagus, intestine to mature the larva and to become the roundworm, that is the female mature Ascaris. These types I will describe in detail. Which is the silent features or important characteristics about the life cycle of the adult worms. Firstly, we discuss the adult worms of the male and female. But the male, and next one, that is a female, how many eggs hatch per day? Hatching capacity means that is a fecundity also related, means egg laying capacity per day. 2,40,000 eggs per day, female. Where? Intestine of human. Mind well, that is the fertile eggs become ineffective, and after 18 days, several weeks also to develop and to form the environmental conditions to required optimum temperatures, warm and to develop the small larvae in the soil or inside the body also sometime. But when these eggs enter in the intestine of human body, at that time the intestinal mucosa carried out to the portal vein and systematic circulation up to the lungs, and these larvae to become a larva mature within 10 to 14 days and penetrate towards the alveolar walls. Yes, and to develop the branchial tree up to the or to circulate thorax and up to reaches the intestine, and these adult or mature worms in the intestine, which position that is small intestine, and it becomes the adult worm, that is the Ascaris. After 2 to 3 months of Ascaris required indigestion, infective stages, ovipositions of the adult female, adult worms live. If you do not take treatment in medicines or suitable conditions, the adult worms live or survival inside the human body up to 1 to 2 years. These types, that is the to develop the life cycle in the human body. Next one, criteria. What is the control measures and pathogenicity? How to develop the pathogens or infections in our body? The human become weak or causes the weakness, and it disease to when which may be that is animals suffer from the Ascaris to cause the disease, that is also known as ascariasis. These worms damage the intestine or intestinal wall. Ascaris enters in its entry in up to the appendix, and it causes appendix. The Ascaris damage the lungs. Ascaris parasites, it is a very dangerous parasites. If the survival maximum period in our body or intestine, at that time it's to cause and damage the lungs also. That is the infection up to the lungs. How to control these? Parasites, endoparasites, that is roundworm. Simple characteristics which is required to the, which may be that is of foods, vegetables, thoroughly wash. Simple procedure. Hand properly wash before the eating. Regularly cut the nails, fingernails, and regularly wash hand. Simple precautions about the control the pathogenicity of the Ascaris or roundworm. Today I have given information about its general characteristics of the phylum Nematohelminths, structure of Ascaris, identical characteristics and differential characteristics. After the identical characteristics, we discuss the classification, how many classes, 5 classes and its suitable examples. Structure of adult worm, male Ascaris and female Ascaris, its identical characteristics, and these identical characteristics of male and female to start its life cycle, that is ascarisis or roundworms. To its life cycle start from the eggs, and lastly eggs mature, that is a mature female in the intestine, and last steps it is infective stage up to the lungs, very dangerous disease. I have given pathogenicity and control measures of the roundworm. Yes, okay.
Let it go.